Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Amanda and I are about to hit the road to Missouri. We're going to go see some old friends and spend the next week there. So videos might be a little sporadic, but before we go, I want to bring you up to date real quick on Mustang Sally. Not a whole lot done, but I want to show you what I have got done, as well as a couple other things. As soon as we get back, I got to jump on real quick. So let's get to it. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com. I am blessed that when we get back from Missouri, I have an open calendar for a few days, so I'm going to be able to jump in real quick on several things. First thing I want to show you is I finally got this blocked off. I've been on and off of this and looking at a few things for one of my channel signature vehicles, but finally got all of this nice and smooth. A lot of the little scratches was my problem with the motor tool, but this is all squared away, primed, looks really good, nice and smooth and level. Our buddy Irv Arter will appreciate this. See there? Da-da-da. Actually, with Irv, it needs to be more like that, I think. But anyway, this is going to get probably its last coat of primer, and I'll probably get some color on this. I want to try to have this done. I'm going to stick my foot in my mouth, but I'm going to say by the end of the month, at least have this one done. And next up, I have a friend who is with Mission Aviation Fellowship, and what they do is MAF flies missionaries, food, medicine, and the Word of God all around the world to people that have never heard of it or heard of Jesus or His love. So I want to do something special for him, and one of the things as he does presentations, I wanted to do him a model of Nate Saint, one of the first people with MAF. And I'll tell you a story about him as I do this, but he flew a Piper PA-14, and I'm going to backdate this to a 14. This is an 18, pretty much the exact same configuration, and I'm going to do a display base for this too. This is not going to take a whole lot of time, I don't think, but I do want to do it right. I got all the correct markings and all that to it, and I'll take you along on that one. That one should be a short one. Getting over to Mustang Sally, as you can see, everything is nice and smooth. I don't have it in primer, and I'll tell you why in a minute, but door handles are removed so I can do some aftermarket, or I'm going to do electric locks like I'm going to do with the trunk lid. Right here, I was thinking about filling that drip rail part in. Well, there's a drip rail down here, but this little body line, and make it a little more custom. And I was thinking about doing these vents here, something a little bit different, but with what I got in mind, I think these are going to work just fine. If not, I can always fill them in. It's not a big deal. You'll notice back here that I filled in the tail light holes and the gas cap, because I'm going to have a alternate or a different location gas inlet. I want all of this to be smooth. The way the tail lights are going to be done, you'll see a little bit later too. I've already filled in the back here too, because that's all going to be customed. So I've got that plugged and glued, and I'll snip those off, get everything sanded, get a coat of mud on that. Same thing with the front end, because we're going custom here. But that Shelby nose, all of that's going to be nice and smooth. I think that looks pretty good, guys. Then went ahead and cleaned up. Well, I don't know what I did with the hood. I was going to show you that too, but I got all of that cleaned off of that. So that is looking pretty good as well. And Sally's hair color is going to be done probably in the next couple of videos. I'll have that done. But I showed you this in the very first video that I'd picked up on eBay or Amazon. I can't remember. I think it was eBay. But to put in the display base for Mustang Sally when we get to Atlanta, and my son-in-law was gracious enough to download this thing. I'm going to turn the volume on this down. There we go. But check this out. Get the speaker. I think I'm going to buy an extra speaker to put in the bass instead of just this one. I think I got it turned down. I don't know how far, but here. When you come up, you'll hit the button. Yeah, I think I got it too low. But hey, how cool is that? I think I'll turn that up just a little bit for later. Anyway, that's everything for right now, guys. Like I said, real short video. We're headed up the road. I may do a video while we're there, and I may not. I know there's a couple of hobby shops. Hadn't been back in that part of Missouri, just north of Branson, in a lot of years. I'm looking forward to seeing some old friends and just having a blast. Including a content creator that I went to high school with, Ron Raby with Somo Diecast. He restores, well, y'all have heard me talk about Ron a lot. Here's his channel right there. Somo Diecast, Custom and Restorations, and he restores everything, Hot Wheels, Tootsie Toys, Matchbox. He's got a great channel, and he's got some great skills going on there too. But it'll be good to see Ron in person again. We've gotten together online a bit, but I just haven't seen him in a while. But I'm looking forward to it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop rambling, stop boring you. But I hope y'all have an absolutely awesome week and weekend. And I may see you in a few days, and it may be next week. But hey, God bless. I love you. You know Jesus does. Later, guys.